Hey, are you at home wondering, wait, what's Causey cooking tonight? Let me tell you. We're gonna make Poblano style tacos. We're gonna start out with a pound of ground chuck. And in there, once I get to chopping, we're gonna add some onion, of course a jalapeno, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, some cilantro, a little bit of cheese, green onion, a couple cloves of garlic, and a little bit of a kicker, rice cauliflower. We're going to use this in substitute for rice. And all that's going to go inside our poblano pepper. We'll cut it out. You'll see at the end when I make it. We'll cut it out, make a little boat out of it, stuff all of our taco seasoning and meat in there, and then we'll bake it. Let me get to chopping, get back to you guys in just a sec. So I got the meat browning. I took the poblanos, cut them up. I'm gonna throw them in the air fryer real quick, about 5 minutes at 350. Let them get a little softer while I finish this up, then we'll stuff them. Okay, in our pan we got the ground chuck, onions, garlic, and the jalapeno, letting that all mix together. It's about ready, so let's take our taco seasoning and add it. Fold it in. Let that simmer for a few more minutes. Hopefully our poblanos will be done that are in the oven, and we'll get to stuffing these things. Remember I told you that we're going to replace the Spanish rice with some rice cauliflower. Let's go ahead and mix that in. It's about 2 cups. So we're going to fold this in with the taco seasoning, and it'll all go together. We'll let this warm up. We've got 2 more minutes left on the poblanos in the oven, and then we'll get to making. Oh boy, man, look at those things. They've been in the oven for about 5 minutes at 350, just enough to soften them up. Let me get them here. We're gonna start stuffing them with our mix. We'll put them back in the oven and finish them up. They are gonna be tasty. Okay, got them all stuffed. So we got our peppers stuffed with the meat mixture, cheese, cilantro, onion. We're gonna throw it back in the oven here for another 5 more minutes. We'll pull them out, we'll plate them and eat them. Oh man, take a look at that. Let's get these on a plate. Whipped up a little salad while we were off camera. Get ready to eat this. Going with some Lindy's taco sauce. It's a little bit hard to find. Search for it, you'll find it. You'll never be disappointed. Put it right up there. All right, let's dig in. That is great. Amazing taste that it has with the spiciness of the poblano, but it's not too hot. So those of you that are worried about being too hot, it's not. Everything mixes together well. This is a keto style. If you want, you can add some beans and stuff to it. I don't really care to. I like it just like this. If you like this, look for the recipe down below, and then like and share it as always. See you guys next time when Causey's cooking.